Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little friends. Today we are going to draw and color a happy rainbow caterpillar. Caterpillars are tiny, wiggly creatures. They crawl on the ground and on leaves. One day, the caterpillar will turn into a beautiful butterfly. Look, this is a cute, happy caterpillar. Wow, she has a big smile. Let's give our caterpillar some colors. First, we color the first part red. Wow, so bright. Now the next part is orange, like the sun. Next we color yellow, so sunny and happy. Then we add green, like fresh leaves. Now a soft light blue, like the sky. Next, a deep dark blue. Oh, so cool. Then we color purple. Wow, so magical. Now let's color her face. We use light blue again. Look, our caterpillar is smiling. Now, time to color the hearts. The small heart is purple. The big heart is pink. So pretty. And don't forget the antenna. Color them red. Wow, so bright and fun. Time for glitter magic. Red glitter. Orange. Yellow. Green. Light blue. Dark blue. Purple. Light blue. Red. Purple. Pink. Our glittery rainbow caterpillar is so colorful and happy. Wow, she is shining. She smiles at you. Great job, little artists. You are amazing. See you next time for more fun drawings.